Oh, sorry for yelling.
Hello, guys.
Good morning.
Good night.
Good night, everybody. Well, it's not even that dark. We're not even gonna sleep out here. We got all of our stuff.
Supposed to call it good afternoon.
Yeah, we're sleeping
Good
out here.
We're
Afternoon.
actually sleeping out here.
With the Kylie Jenner, Kylie Jenner,
I can't get out.
This
This candy is only for me, okay?
No.
It is. I bought it. Gosh.
And then we're all out here. Him.
Hit the dab one.
And then there's him. And then there's me. We got our stuff. We got some water and some drink. And we got two candies. And we don't know who we're going to go to. Well, I'm going to get one, of course. Because you guys know I make videos and that's hard work. So
You and Ate are shoving a candy.
fine. And I got my emoji here to keep me all comfy and my Dora. Who cares if I watch Dora? God.
I can't get out with my legs stuck.
Oh yeah.
Help me with my
And
leg.
look at my shirt. I'm gonna wear this to school one day.
With my leg.
Stuff. Oh dang it. I want to put my foot in there and see if it gets stuck. No, it's actually gonna get stuck. We broke this thing. We broke this box.
Yeah.
This box right here. He's fixing it. We made a huge inside a rib. And yeah.
And
Well, I don't know if we're actually gonna sleep out here, but I'm cold. I'm cold. I'm cold. I'm gonna go bring an extra blanket. Wait, we're not gonna even need that much. I'm sorry, why did you put that blanket all the way down? I'm good.
my
My bones are lean. The way you are.
live in the box.
Who's gonna open the box? You.
I'm in the box.
Living out here. Living out here.
Working.
Anthony, Nanny, you know people are gonna look at you. I'm sending this on you.
post it.
I am. Just kidding. No.